This short video tutorial presents the holding data adjustment subsection. This section is quite special and allows to completely customize the data of the holdings of each product displayed on your platform. Let's go step by step and start with the Categorize page. The Categorize subsection lets you rename the values of categorical properties that are automatically updated on your Finlens platform. You can do this for as many products as you like, all at once. For example, for the selected product and the property called Asset Class, if a holding is a stock, the data provider used in this demo might return the value AKT, which doesn't look very user-friendly. You can choose to rename it to something clearer, like Equity. To do this, simply click on the relevant row or export the categories as a CSV file, make your changes, and upload the file again. You can then save the changes made in the categorization of the properties. If you want to focus on a single property, currency for example, you can apply filters to categorize currency values only. Let's continue our example and rename AUD to Australian dollar for Test Fund 1. First, select the product Test Fund 1 and the currency property, then apply the filters. Now, you can modify the category of the value AUD to Australian dollar. Once a value has been categorized for a given property of the product selected, all parts of the platform that use it will automatically show the updated label. And if you rename several different values using the same new label, they'll be grouped together wherever they appear. For instance, if you rename the currency values .chef and EUR to European, you'll see them grouped together in the relevant components. Finally, you can add a category by clicking on the Add Category button. Then choose your product and the property concerned, and create your category by writing its name in both the value and the category text bars. Writing it in the value bar allows that, if later this category name appears in the automatic data, it will be labeled in the same category, and not in a different category with this same name. Thank you for watching our short explanatory video regarding the categorization page of the Holding Data Adjustment subsection. We trust that you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.